Welcome to Day 6 of Microsoft Copilot, where we focus on image generation and vibe coding. Our goal is to help you turn imagination into reality. In this new era, words replace code. You can use plain English to create beautiful images and working software. Technical skills are no longer a prerequisite. All you need are words. Here is an example of creating art with words using Microsoft Copilot. By providing a detailed prompt, you can generate highly realistic and imaginative images. This illustrates the power of revision. You can start with an original image and use a prompt to modify it into something entirely new, like changing a grassy meadow to a snowy alpine scene. The skill you use to prompt images is the exact same skill you apply to build software. This concept of using words to generate code is what we call vibe coding. To get started, you'll need to set up your studio. Open Visual Studio Code, then the GitHub Copilot Chat window, and begin your project by describing what you want. Vibe coding in action begins with a clear prompt, such as creating a complete Task Manager web application with specific functionality and styling instructions. The vibe coding loop involves 3 steps. First, prompt by describing what you want in simple English. Second, review the generated files. Third, keep and accept the code. Another great feature is the Magic tab. As you type a function, Copilot suggests the rest of the code in gray text, which you can accept instantly by pressing the Tab key. The universal skill for both generating images and vibe coding is providing clear instructions. Whether you use Microsoft Copilot for art or GitHub Copilot for software, the input is plain English. Transformation is complete. You can now create visual concepts and generate working code with words. You are officially a vibe coder, ready for Day 7.